Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Erica, and today I got an impulse buy off of AliExpress because a lot of you have one of these and I didn't, and Kyle let me get one. That's all I gotta say is Kyle let me get one. It's a Blythe Doll. Can you believe it? I actually got one. It's the only one because I don't want to be obsessed with them. She's naked, so that's what she looks like. She's super duper pink. I love that. I love the hair. She's like $20. But anyways, she's got really cute pink hair. It's like a candy color, which is why I'm gonna name her Candy. But let's go ahead and put some clothes on her. Okay, so anyways, you guys actually convinced me to buy one of the Blythe dolls, so I did. She came completely naked, but I did make her this outfit before I got her. I actually made it last night, and I had ordered her May 1st, I think. You know, I don't see what it's all about. I thought it was going to change my mind, but it really doesn't. But I wanted one for my collection, and they had so many to choose from. But this is the hair. Like, every time when someone's always talking about their Blythe and stuff like that, I would go look on AliExpress to see if they go on sale. Sometimes they do and sometimes they don't. But Kyle said I could, and so I got me the hot pink haired one, the one that I've been looking at for a very long time. And I like the one with the bangs because they kind of have a 5 head. So I got that. If you can't hear me, it's because the fan, and I'm also staying quiet because Kyle is napping. I got her sitting at my bay window just because she is really freaking heavy, and I'm very curious about how much she weighs. So I may just whip up my scale just to show you in a few minutes of how much she weighs. But like I said, she came naked, and I did get the extra hands, so that's fun. My grandma, she made me open the package as soon as she brought it to me from the post office, and I had to open the box. So she really liked her. She thought she was cute, and she liked the hair. But anyways, like I said, she came naked, which I knew that would happen, which is fine. She came plastic wrapped, and she's got the guard on her face, which is nice, and she came in a decent box. So I was really glad that they didn't put her in just like a bubble wrap. That would be stupid, because I feel like you could break these dolls if you really wanted to. Those heads are freaking huge. Like, if you want to go to Hobby Lobby, then just get one of these, and you can see that's the size of the head. So just throwing that out there. The head is huge. The feet are kind of big, but not quite. So that's cool. I wonder if they can fit. I'll have to look into my collection and see like what they can and can't fit, and I'll do like a little slideshow or something. But I do want to customize her. I really do, but I don't want to fuck her up. I don't want to mess her up. So I think I might order a faceplate just in case if I mess this up, because I do want to take her apart, but then I don't, because I don't want to mess her up, but I do want to customize her. So anyways, like I said, I kept contacting the seller because I was like, when are you going to ship her, because I never got a code or anything like that. And I've only ever ordered off of AliExpress like one time, and it was for like one of those little BJD dolls. And that was like years ago, so I didn't know if they were going to send a code or not because it's from China. But I kept messaging the seller. I'm like, please be patient, and keep in mind I ordered at the beginning of May, and so now it is like what, May, I can't look on my phone, so it's like May 16th, 17th, something like that. So I finally got her today, and I was like really happy because I actually made this outfit last night not knowing when she was going to arrive, and I didn't want her to be naked. So the bottom, like it's a one piece that I made. The bottom part I actually got from Creative 404's pattern. I'll link their channel down below. And the top part, because I didn't know if it was a jumpsuit or whatever, because I like had the patterns for like ever. But the top part is actually from Beth Ramsden. It was free on her website, so I wanted to test it out, and plus her top looked a little bigger than the Creative 404 one. So it was easier to manage, but it was supposed to like have like a collar. I didn't want to do the collar because no. But anyways, I just did it like that, and I added lace on it because I like the color, but I know it's not her color. But I think she looks really cute. And if you were curious of what doll it would fit, it actually fitted the Stacy doll from Barbie, but it was just a little bit big. But anyways, so there's my Blythe doll. I'm gonna take that crap off of her. I'm gonna redo her strings eventually. She is freaking heavy, so I need to make her stand. Show you guys really quick so you can see the eyes. There we go. I'm afraid to pull really hard. Ooh. I think I like the pink ones. I want to make her own. I need to get more stuff. I love the pink. And she even has little ear holes, which is cool. I just want to customize the hell out of her. I would like to mention about the hands are actually easy to take off, but I would love it if it would flip off this emoji right here. And if they had the hands to do that, that would be totally me.